What's going on? Welcome back. Ryan here. In this video, we are talking about the Series 7 license. Okay, so I'm going to bring up FINRA. Remember, FINRA is the organization who administers and has a lot of oversight with enrolling for these exams, passing these exams. And when we're looking at licenses, it's really important to understand that there are a lot of different licenses that people need to operate as professionals when dealing with clients, where you are giving advice, maybe offering discretion, trading on behalf of people, acting as a broker, whatever it may be, insurance, right? Real estate, they all have these licenses that you need, okay? And in this video, we're talking about the Series 7. Right? So the Series 7 is the General Securities Representative exam. So again, Series 7, the General Securities Representative Qualification Exam, assesses the competency of an entry-level registered representative to perform their job as a General Securities Representative. The exam measures the degree to which each candidate possesses the knowledge needed to perform the critical functions of a general securities representative, including sales of corporate securities, municipal securities, investment company securities, variable annuities, direct participation programs, options, and government securities, right? So again, the Series 7 is a very powerful license. As an example, if you wanted to work as a stockbroker, right? Let's say you've been trading your own money and you really love this industry, and maybe you want to just deal with stocks and have that general securities license where you can go work for a broker, you can do all these different things, right? And you can make money doing it. And really important to understand that anybody can study and take these tests and then go out and get hired by a sponsor broker to then start working in the industry. Okay, so the reason why I'm bringing up the Series 7 is because it's the most common securities license for stockbrokers, right? If you're trading right now, right, for instance, if you downloaded Thinkorswim, you made your TD Ameritrade account, when you call them on the phone and then they get a broker on the phone to maybe help you or actually trade on your behalf, most likely that broker is a Series 7 broker. Now, I don't have my Series 7 yet. I have decided that I wanted to go a different route after working with my mentor. But for example, and because I think it's important to talk about, I've selected the Series 7 as one of the important securities exams that you could potentially get if you want to work in the industry and work as a stockbroker. So again, come into FINRA, look all this stuff up. Again, when we look at the eligibility here, candidates must be associated with and sponsored by a FINRA member firm or other applicable self-regulatory organization member firm to be eligible to take FINRA representative level qualification exams, right? So there is kind of a catch, right? Anybody can study for these exams, but to really get your foot in the door, you need to have a sponsor broker that is going to represent you, right? It's just like real estate, right? You study for the real estate exam, then you take your test, but you then need to hang your license with a broker who's sponsoring you. Similar, but again, come in here and educate yourself, right? It shows all of the permitted activities, right? Public offerings and private placements, rights, warrants, mutual funds, money market funds, unit investment trust, ETFs, REITs, right? options on mortgage-backed securities, government securities, repos, direct participation programs, venture capital, sale of municipal securities, hedge funds, right? So again, there's a lot you can do with the Series 7. And while it's not my expertise, again, at some point in the future, I might think about adding the Series 7 to my my toolbox of qualifications. But again, I'm trying to educate you. I'm trying to show you the possibilities, and I'm trying to get you into the mindset that anything is possible. All of these tools and all of these opportunities are out there. And again, I want you to research them and study and apply yourself, because I know that these things can change your life, right? Securities licenses and working in these industries as professionals can offer you tons of experience. And again, it can help take your own trading to the next level. So again, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've heard about the Series 7. Maybe you've already thought about studying and finding a broker to help sponsor you. Let me know what you think. Reach out to me. I love to hear from you. And again, I encourage you to look this stuff up, see what it is, see how it works. And in the next video, we are going to be talking again about more securities licenses. So I will see you in the next video.